Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to export your Asana projects into PDF format. The process is very straightforward, so simply follow these steps. Begin by scrolling down to the project section and opening the specific project you want to save. Next, navigate to the project name and click the Actions drop-down menu until you locate the Export or Print options. From this menu, select the Print feature. You should see an option to set the destination as Save as PDF. Click that, and then you can customize your output by choosing specific pages or the entire document. You can also select your preferred layout, such as portrait or landscape. If you need further adjustments, look under More Settings for paper size, margins, and pages per sheet. Once your settings are ready, click the Save button. Provide a name for your PDF file and hit Save again. The document will be saved directly to your Downloads folder unless you have chosen a different directory. Thank you for watching. If this walkthrough helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing. I will see you in the next tutorial.